How can I help?
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 How can I help? How can I help? How can I help? Hang on for the loop.
Hang on for the loop.
Hang on for the loop.
4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
I'm Ricky.
I'm Jayme.
And this month we have been talking a lot about kindness
And forgiveness.
and true love. What true love is. Honestly, guys, we're kind of spent.
We were gonna clean up the loop room for you guys, but we came back. We're just so tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jayme has a runny nose, so.
So tired.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we could just use a break. I mean, we've been doing the loop show like nonstop for a couple of months now, and just a nice little interruption would be.
We should take a commercial break.
Ooh, I like those.
Judo Bob here, telling you that this is not normal infomercial material. This is all about action. We're not selling products, we're selling action. If someone tells you to do something, you should do it. And I don't mean like later and procrastinate, but proactivate. It's all about proactivating and proactivating some action. And I don't mean action later, because that is not right. And I know right, because if a board says it can't be snapped, I know it's wrong, and I snap it. One of my good friends, Paul, who lives in the southern states of, I don't know which one because I haven't learned all of the states yet, but I'm on it. But we're gonna cruise on down to Paul and see how he's doing with proactivating some action.
Turn off that game. I need you to take out the trash. It's stinking up my house.
I'm in the middle of a game.
I ain't playing.
I'm in the middle of a battle royale.
Oh, we about to have a battle royale.
I'll do it later.
Roger?
Mom.
Paul, take out the trash, please. Listen to your mother.
You know help. You know help.
I'm trying to help.
Roger, tell your son to turn off the game and take out the trash.
Hey, Paul, listen to your mother, please.
Dad, come on.
Hey, don't make me get up.
Boy, I'm not playing with you.
Fine. Take out the trash. I said I'd do it later.
Whoa, Paul, that's not cool, man. Judo Bob is not impressed with that lack of action. That's why he's a Padawan and not a sensei. And that's what I'm senseiing. You guys don't be like Padawan Paul. He procrastinated, he waited. But what you guys need to do is proactivate some action and take action now. You know, you can look around the house, you can be proactive and actually do stuff before people even tell you to do it. Don't wait to be told to do something, but if you are, do it then, because that's karate, as I like to say. Let's cruise on back to Paul and see if he learned a lesson, or Judo Bob is gonna teach him a lesson. You don't want Judo Bob to come at you with these suckers, you know what I'm saying?
Paul, will you take out the trash, please?
Yeah, I already did it.
Oh, you did, huh? Well, I'm about to have a look.
No, I already did it.
Oh, I bet he did. I bet he learned his lesson.
Oh my goodness, he did. Roger, he took out the trash.
That's my son right there.
Oh, my baby knows how to proactivate some action.
Whoa, that's speedy service. That's what I'm talking about. Way to go, Paul. Pound it. Yeah, your knuckles would have been bleeding because mine are rock solid. Guys, proactivate action. I guarantee you it's way better than anything else that I may be selling. Besides, maybe some karate lessons. Call me if you're interested. Number below. Judo Bob out. Call the number. If you have any questions, talk to my receptionist.
Oh, that is.
Ow.
What is this? Oak?
Ow. Yeah.
Commercial breaks are the best kind of breaks. I feel relaxed. I feel rejuvenated.
Yeah.
Let's do a challenge.
Ooh, yeah.
All right. Beat the Instapot. This Instant Pot thinks that it can make a burger faster than we can. So we need to finish the fast food puzzle before the Instant Pot depressurizes.
Okay.
So if we don't beat the Instant Pot, we must eat the fast food inside.
This is the Loop Show. I don't want to eat whatever's in that Instapot.
Yeah, no, we need to get Insta ready. So we're gonna stretch, and you're gonna watch something else.
Listen, when I hear the word poster, I think about this one right here. It is, oh, nice little wide circle. It's a Kids Fest 2011 poster, about as obscure as posters get. But for me, this poster is really important because it played a critical role in a lesson that I learned in college that I'll never forget. See, the first time I noticed that poster, I was a college intern, right? So I was in college, right? I'm hanging out. I'm walking with my mentor. We're going down a hallway, and he stops me dead in my tracks. And he walks over to this poster on the wall. It was crooked, and then he fixed it, and he walked over back to me and said, Luke, this is what I want from you. I want you to be a poster spotter. I want you to fix crooked posters. And so, I was an intern. I was like, yeah, okay, I'll do whatever. So I was flying all over the building, fixing posters, picture frames. I didn't care what it was. I was pumped to do it. I'm building the kingdom, serving the house. Eventually, I came to the realization that all of you came to the minute you heard what the guy said. It wasn't about the poster, right? The poster represented an opportunity to make something better. And I realized I walk by posters just like that every single day, and not just the ones on the walls. I walk by them in my walk with Jesus. I walk by them in my relationships. We all do, but those things deserve better from us. Am I right? So, I learned a couple of things about being a poster spotter. Number one, being a great poster spotter is about awareness. And the second thing is it's about responsibility. See, I was so focused on my conversation with my mentor that I couldn't see the poster that was right in front of me. All I needed to do was intentionally take a moment to step back, raise my awareness, raise my altitude, take a look at the big picture. And as soon as I would have done that, I could have seen that poster. And same for all of us, if we're intentional about lifting our eyes and getting some context, making ourselves more aware, we'll start spotting some posters. But a great poster spotter doesn't stop there. Anyone can spot posters. Look on social media, people are complaining about stuff all the time. A great poster spotter is responsible to fix the poster. That day, I thought my mentor was aligning a physical poster on this wall, but he was actually aligning a culture of poster spotting in me. And I hope that this does the same thing in you. Thank you.
All right, guys, so we are here with our burgers, respectively. We have a burger puzzle, and we have a burger meal that is going to be instant potted. Jayme, would you like to do the honors?
I would love to. Okay, so we're gonna put it inside this guy. All right, so first
Definitely the burger.
Okay.
It's mustard.
Pickle, oh, there's pickles! Do you get grossed out even when they get close to you?
No, just put it right there in that pot.
We'll sprinkle little fries in.
Stop it.
And the lid goes on. Haha.
Let's see, soup, broth.
Porridge.
Porridge, let's put it on porridge.
Okay.
All right, as soon as it beeps, we can go.
This is a Ricky thing. I do remember girls used to come up to me and have me chase boys that they liked on the playground because I was a fast runner.
I remember, and I'll never forget this, a girl who I had a big crush on. I mean, we were in elementary school. So she was like, I'm going to be this other guy's boyfriend because he's faster than you.
Oh.
And I was heartbroken.
Oh, that stinks.
Yeah. Not off to a good start. You're taking a real long time. Instant pot.
I bet your mom is so slow.
Finish that thought.
She didn't cook very fast. Either. I'm just not good at insulting. It's happening.
All right, let's
Yep, it's happening? Okay. Okay, all right, I'll get the bun.
All right, I will try something in the middle.
Okay, here's that.
There's that.
Oh, thank you.
No, we aren't gonna make it, Jayme. I'm so sorry.
Hey, why are you saying that?
Because I've done many a puzzle and I know we are not at a starting good place. All of them flipped over. Okay, where's the cheese? There should be more cheese. Okay, good. No. Okay, good.
All right, I think I got, no, I don't.
No, come
Okay, I
on.
got the top done.
Good. Getting closer. Oh no, is that our time?
Ah!
Oh! Okay.
Okay, I feel like it has an advantage because it's like distracting.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Nope, wrong entirely. Maybe it's this way. Nope. Yark. We've got to beat this. Okay.
To go here. Oh, wait, maybe that goes there. And then that goes there.
Right? No, just slam it.
Okay, okay.
Just put it,
all right.
just slam the pieces.
Corner. Oh, that one actually fit.
Just make it fit.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay, we could have put this together if we had scissors. Just make. Like that's part.
Oh, it's upside down. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. We're still
There we go. Oh, yeah, that right
not
there.
close.
That makes me sad.
So here's the thing. We got so close. And I think this would be a great week to learn about God's grace.
I agree. Yeah, I mean, if you guys really loved us.
Yeah. The Bible says,
Thou shalt not make Ricky and Jayme eat something out of an Instant Pot.
yeah, it's like a newer translation. Oh, goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Don't, no.
Oh, it smells like cafeteria food. Blech.
If you've ever wondered what a fast food stew would smell like, it's bad. When I am ordering a burger, I just get meat and cheese.
That's what I get on mine, meat and cheese only.
Well done.
Yes, and it's nice because they usually put like a special sticker
Yeah.
on the wrapper and then you can wear the sticker.
But I'll have to say, this is the first time that I'm eating a burger with a ladle.
Oh, it made a really gross sound. Oh, it does look like a stew or something. Actually, it smells like a fried pickle. Have you ever had fried pickles?
No.
You're right, you don't like pickles. Fried pickles are really good.
This smells awful.
We tried really, really hard. We made a great team.
Yeah.
Just because you don't win doesn't mean you lose. I thought that was really inspirational.
That was.
And nobody reacted.
It was really inspirational, but I heard that while I'm looking at what happens to bread when it gets Instapotted. This was bread. This mess right here, this was bread. Ugh. I'm so grossed out by this.
3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, it's bad. Oh. I'm just trying to chew it up quickly so I can just swallow it and it's over with.
Oh.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Are you gonna throw up?
I think I'm gonna cry. I think we shouldn't have insulted the Instapot.
Yeah, it went faster because you talked about its mom.
Yeah. You talked about his mom.
I tried to talk bad about his mom.
It's like I'm eating pre-chewed food. It's like
Ew.
someone already chewed it up. I feel like I'm eating Mama Bird
Right. That's
fast food.
Blech. Can we go to another segment?
I hope so.
Okay, so feet are wonderful, they're useful, but dirty feet? Dirty feet are kind of gross. I mean, think about it. Think about feet that were walking outside all day on unpaved roads. I mean, think about Jesus and his disciples walking from town to town, day after day. And no, not in fancy Jordans or Vans. No, I'm talking about straight up Bible time sandals. Their feet had to get pretty icky. And so back then, when you went to visit someone at their house, it wasn't enough to take off your shoes at the door. No, you basically needed to wash your feet. And I know, washing someone's feet seems kind of weird to us today, but back then it was normal. In fact, it was so normal that if you were rich enough, you bought servants who worked in your house and their job was to wash feet. Your servants washed feet. But then something strange happens. You see, Jesus and his disciples, his closest followers, they were chilling one night, having dinner, and Jesus decides that the thing he wants to do in that moment is wash his disciples' gross feet. So that night, in the middle of dinner, Jesus gets up, changes out of his regular clothes, wraps a towel around him, and he starts washing their feet. Jesus, their leader, God on earth Jesus, that Jesus washes the feet of his followers. And before the disciples could even know what was happening, it was too late. Jesus was already doing his thing. He was already in motion. Talk about speedy service. I mean, look at the situation. Look at Jesus. He didn't procrastinate. He didn't calculate how gross the task was before getting down to it. He didn't say, so did you step in anything gross at all that I should know about before I do this, right? No, it didn't matter to him. He loved them so much that nothing about them was too gross for him to touch, for him to clean off, to kneel down and serve. Talk about unconditional love. This is real love. Not that we loved God, but that he loved us and sent his son as a sacrifice to take away our sins. Dear friends, since God loved us that much, surely we ought to love each other.
Well, the set looks a lot better.
Now I'm ready to do the show.
Wait, we just did. This is the outro.
Really? Oh, man.
Well, how can I help you?
No, how can I help you?
No, I asked you first.
Oh, but I want you to go first.
Oh, you're too kind.
So how quickly do you fix a mess?
Yeah, put your love into action. Serve someone without being asked.
Let's start a service revolution!
Yes. And until next time,
Enjoy the ride! You should like.
Yeah, so subscribe. Leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
And come back next week.
Subscribe, comment,
subscribe, leave a comment.
subscribe, comment, subscribe, comment, subscribe, subscribe, and comment.